So as the CISO at Sunflower Bank, I'm responsible for protecting all of the assets and the information that the bank has. We're starting to see some trends, especially in the financial sectors. What we're seeing is a convergence, right? We don't want to be just your retail bank where you have your deposited money, right? We're also helping you with loans and commercial real estate and business endeavors that you're wanting to proceed. So it's not just about being a personal bank, it's also being about commercially driven and helping those people, succeed in whatever business line they're in. We want to wrap in what is it that your 401k is doing, what other financial investments that you possibly have working with other institutions. So we're starting to see a convergence where people want to have one single app. I think what's interesting with artificial intelligence coming more into play, we're starting to see from the business lines trying to ask things like, well, if consumer X does this, what can we do to maintain them? So an example, if a customer happens to call in and wants to close an account, what is it that we know about that customer that we could easily give back to, say, the call rep that's on the phone with them that would actually help us to maintain that customer? So you're starting to see where AI is trying to, I think, be used to help mitigate situations and issues. And now we're seeing AI being used in so many different multiple ways and trying to understand how do we protect that data. I think that we're continuing to see outside attackers. It's just continuing to escalate more and more. It's just a constant thing. And if you don't have the right controls in place or the right insights and monitoring and ability to know what's going on in your network, you're really behind the 8 ball. So what we're trying to do from a cybersecurity standpoint is consolidate what we can where we can so that we can view the environment in an appropriate way to make sure that we're doing the right things, that we're looking at the right controls, that we're not having any gaps that we need to go remediate. I am Parrish Gunnels, Senior VP and CISO at Sunflower Bank.